Okay. All right. Anyway, we appreciate that the Alexandria community asked us to be in the band festival each year. One of the things we look forward to. We're the first band this year, so it is our honor to play our respect to our country and all those we serve. We will be playing the official Marine Corps version of our national anthem. Please stand if you're able, remove your hat, while the band plays our national anthem, directed by Glenn.